Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will begin a 5-part video series where I will walk you through how to create your very first quilt. In the first video, we will be putting together your quilt top. The second video, we will base your quilt. The third video, we will actually do the quilting. In the fourth video, I will show you how to trim the quilt and make the quilt binding. And the fifth and final video, we will actually attach the binding to the quilt. I will put in the comments or in the information about this video all of the materials that you will need. So you will obviously need fabric. We'll need fabric, of course, for the quilt top. Because this is a beginner video, I am suggesting that you start with pre-cut fabric. And based on the size of the quilt, 42.5 inches by 42.5 inches, you will need to use charm packs.